Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, for non-United States residents. This guide simplifies the process, making it clear and manageable for you. An EIN is essentially a social security number for your business. It is a 9-digit number assigned by the Internal Revenue Service. You will definitely need one for crucial activities like opening a United States business bank account or even hiring employees within the United States. So understanding its purpose is your first important step. To apply for an EIN as a non-United States resident, you must first have a valid reason, such as forming a new business in the United States or opening a United States bank account for an existing foreign entity. You do not need a social security number or an individual taxpayer identification number to qualify for an EIN. This process is specifically designed for international entrepreneurs or businesses expanding their operations, ensuring they can easily comply with United States tax regulations. Applying for your EIN primarily involves completing Internal Revenue Service Form SS4, also known as the Application for Employer Identification Number. You can easily find and download this form from the official Internal Revenue Service website. Ensure every section is filled out precisely, including your business name, address, and the reason you are applying for the EIN. Accuracy on this form is crucial to avoid any delays in processing your application. Once you have meticulously completed Form SS4, the most common way for non-United States residents to submit it is by fax. The specific fax number for international applicants is found on the Form SS4 instructions, which is usually 1-267-401-5508. You should also ensure you have access to a reliable fax service. Remember to keep a copy of your submitted form and the fax confirmation for future reference. This is very important.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.